What is up, my amazing YouTube friends? Welcome back to the sickest garage here on the platform. My name is B with Prey for Snow Auto Detailing. I'm pumped to have you here because check out what we have. A 2021 Ford F-350 dually, which is so sick, in iconic silver, beautiful truck. When the customer contacted me, they said they needed an acid bath, which I thought was awesome. It actually made me think of Star Wars when C-3PO's lowered in and he says the oil bath is going to feel so good. But I can't put that little clip in here because Disney will strike my channel for sure. Don't want that. So you're just gonna have to imagine it or go watch that scene. I don't really care. But after this video, of course. We're gonna detail this. Obviously, we're gonna decontaminate the exterior, which is the main focus. Well, it's a main exterior focus. The inside, it's really not too bad. The interior detailing is still gonna be sick, but the exterior, that's the focus, or my focus for right now. It's beautiful. Oh, metallic paints have my heart. Let's go to work. I don't know why this took me off guard, but when I started the vehicle up to move it into the garage, the front two tires are low, so it had the tire pressure, but it had tire pressure for all 6 tires, and it caught me so off guard. I've not driven a dually consistently, I guess, because I don't know why that was shocking, but it was. So we'll start here in the wheels and tires. So many wheels and tires. Pretty sure Ace is gonna be jealous because this is like, I don't know, the 5th vehicle I've detailed in a row with fuel wheels, and I know he totally wants them, so sorry, Ace. Maybe if I were a better friend, I'd buy some for you. I could afford to buy some for you. We'll go with that one. Remember, my dear friends, that this vehicle is here for the acid bath or the physical decontamination. That's why it came to me. It's gonna have some other stuff done as well. But for the pre-wash, we're gonna use Built Hamber in my IK sprayer. We apply it to make sure that none of those contaminants, none of that dust and debris that's settled on the paint can get marred into it when we're doing the hand wash or the decontamination. My poor garage floor has had a lot of dust on it today. Dust? Straight up mud on it today. This was pretty crazy. A lot of it was underneath, but whatever. We're gonna wash now, so let's go foam cannoning. And yeah, go foam cannoning. Since the goal is to decontaminate this exterior, let's iron remove. Iron remove. Stop it. The reason I use 2 steps in the decontamination process is just to take those edges. The chemical decontamination really does help to take those rough edges off of those contaminants that are embedded in the clear coat. And then of course the physical decontamination will come by and just take them out completely. But to reduce the risk of marring, chemical, then physical. To finish out our acid bath or decontamination, we're going to use the shampoo as a clay loop. I've got clay bar in the hot water to make sure it's soft and supple. Apply the clay loop, shampoo, and then use a clay bar. Pretty simple. Let's rinse this pig, and then we'll paint protect. Graphene nano spray, something, blah, blah, blah. Drying it. Well, I think we successfully completed the acid bath on the exterior. It looks amazing. The silver color was absolutely stunning. Gonna move on to the interior. It's not horrible. The carpets are a little bit bad. It's got these huge husky mats, and those, they've done a pretty decent job of protecting the carpet. There's a lot of personal items in the back. We'll take all of those personal items out and then we'll start with the cleaning. And I really do think that this is gonna be sick. This is gonna be a sick transformation on the interior. I'm really pumped for this customer. I know I've never mentioned this on this channel, but I have an obsession with backpacks. Whenever I go anywhere, whether it's to the office, whether it's on vacation, in the mountains, desert, whatever, I love wearing a backpack. It's like my safety vest. I love it. So pulling that customer's awesome backpack out. I don't know really great brands. I just have a couple backpacks that my beautiful bride has bought me that have just turned out really amazing. So jealous of the customer's backpack. Does that look like a nice one? It's window sticker time. All right, let's check it out. 2021 F-350 DR Dub 4x4 crew cab Lariat, 176 WB style side, 6.7 liter V8 stroke diesel, 10-speed automatic, which is, I mentioned this a few times, it's awesome. Let's see what optional equipment, preferred equipment. The diesel was $10,500, $10,495, of course. No charges. Oh, the Lariat edition. So that's what I messed up earlier. It's not the Platinum Rookie B. It is the Lariat edition. All right, so what do you think it was? Base price of $55,945. Options are $19,200. Destination of $16.95, so total MSRP $76,915. Hopefully you got that right. Good thing this is like the very first Ford truck that I've ever detailed ever in my whole life. really sick thing is that those Husky mats definitely did their job. The carpets weren't really that dusty. I mean, there was some dust, a tiny bit under the seats. And because this is the 6-seat configuration, I say the rare 6-seat configuration, I just don't see this set up as much. But because this is that, the center console isn't there, obviously. And so there's this carpeted piece in the middle right here. And that will need to be extracted. It's like this much more. It was kind of dusty, but yeah, it's not too bad. This one's gonna be sick. Checked out the leather while I was doing the vacuuming. I don't think I'm gonna need, nope, I'm not gonna need steam. So we're just gonna use P&S Express Interior Detailer. I have a microfiber towel and of course, detailing brush / microphone for when I'm singing. So simple, yet so elegant at the exact same time. Leather cleaning was so sick. Oh, Ford interiors aren't bad. They're really not. I gotta give them a little bit of credit where it is due. Plastics are not horribly dirty. Some dust, but definitely seen worse. Ah, this is a pretty truck. Steam cleaner fell, and when I grabbed it, it touched the trigger and I burned the crap out of my leg. It hurt. It really did. I said, son of a gun. My beautiful bride the other day stepped on some dog number 2 outside and it was very sad. But since I already had the steam cleaner out here, we ended up steam cleaning her shoes clean, which is awesome because nobody wants dog doo-doo on their shoes. Lame. Let's go protect the plastic and the metal. Sorry, plastic and leather.
Yeah.
would of course like to take some time to thank the customer. Thank you, epic customer. This truck was stunning, beautiful, absolutely a joy to detail. I hope that you love this video, and of course I hope you like the results of the detail. My dearest friends, I hope that you loved hanging out because I loved hanging out with you. Like, subscribe, comment, please interact. It helps me with the YouTube algorithm. I think you are amazing, and I'll see you in the next one.